How to unblock someone in Roblox on phone or PC. So on PC, you just need to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, then simply go to settings right there. And for mobile, just simply need to tap on more on the bottom right corner, then go to settings also. Then just go to privacy on both mobile and PC. So here's the privacy option right there on the left side. And for mobile, it's just right there also. Just simply tap on it. Wait for it to load. And just scroll down to the very bottom. Same with mobile. Scroll down to the very bottom. And then you will see the blocked users. And if you want to unblock them, you can just simply tap on the unblock option right there. Same goes with the mobile. Just simply need to unblock that person right there. Just tap on it. And that's basically how you can see the blocked users you have on your account on Roblox and mobile or PC.